What's up, guys? We are at Vulcan's Harley Davidson and we are saying goodbye to the Ninja 650. A lot of good memories, a lot of fun stuff, but we are moving on up.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Won't you please put your hands together and congratulate our friends Caitlin and Ryan on their beautiful 2013 Harley Davidson Iron 883.
All right, guys, first ride home from the dealer. Got fresh tires on it. Thanks to the guys at Vulcan's Harley for hooking me up, especially thanks to Alan. He's been working with me for a while to get me on a Harley. Guys, we are headed home from Harley. This is a fast little bike. If you guys have been around my channel the past couple weeks, you noticed a video where I did a test ride on this bike. And I fell in love with it for a couple of reasons. It felt really peppy, and I'm like, well, maybe I could throw a engine kit on there and make it even more peppy. But now this thing's got a lot of power. Apparently, it's got a 1275 hammer kit on it. And so when I learned that, I'm like, okay, I gotta have it. But what they did was, whoever owned this, it is used, it's only got 4,900 miles on. Whoever owned this, they put a hammer kit on it and a Vance & Hines exhaust, which is really nice, but they didn't put a high flow air breather, which is kind of like castrating the bike. I mean, it's got great exhaust and a great engine kit, but no air breather. Like, what was the point of doing all that? So I'm gonna be really excited to see what I can do with this. The torque and the horsepower on this is absolutely nuts. We are going to get it on the dyno and try it out, but it is a fast little sucker. I did buy one accessory to go with this bike today when I was at the dealership, and that is forward controls. Really, bro? Really? What an asshole. I did buy one accessory from Harley to go with this, and that is forward controls, because mids are just not my thing. I gotta get my feet out in front of me. The mids are not uncomfortable, they're not bad. They're just, I gotta have forward controls. I'm sure some of you guys have some questions about my choice. If you do, please leave them down below. But my general answer for what's been asked so far is, why on earth did you go with Harley? I thought you were an Indian fanboy. My answer is, I am an Indian fanboy, and I'm not giving up the Indian for anything, okay? The Indian is not getting traded for a Harley, ever. I love that Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. It's amazing. That being said, do I still want Harleys? Hell yeah. I like American-made stuff. Indian, American-made. Harley, American-made. Kawasaki Ninja 650. I think mine was made in like Myanmar or something. I don't know. I read some foreign country on the thing. I'm like, yeah, okay, well, whatever. You know, it's an Asian bike, I get that, but I like American bikes. And now I've got two American-made motorcycles in the garage, a Harley and an Indian. And as far as I'm concerned, those two brands will have a place in my garage forever, and we don't really need to expand outside that market. I'll still do test rides on other stuff like Yamahas and Kawasaki's and Hondas for you guys. You know, I'll do stuff for the channel. I don't mind, you know, doing that and riding other bikes. I have an appreciation for all motorcycles, but personally, for what I want to own, I want American iron. No pun intended with the Iron 883. I guess this isn't really an Iron 883. This is an Iron 1275. So I have a lot of plans for this motorcycle. We're going to do some white walls. We're going to do some upgrades to the exhaust, get a custom seat on here, forward controls, got to flip these stupid mirrors upside down, relocation kits on the gauge, tank lift, all kinds of great stuff. It's going to be a lot of fun. So going to be a lot of custom build videos on this channel for the Iron 1275. I have to come up with a better name for it than that, give it a catchy name. It's got a hammer kit on it, so maybe call it the Hammerhead. I don't know. We'll find something for it. If you guys have a cool name for the bike or any suggestions, let me know down below. I'll take your guys' suggestions into consideration in naming the motorcycle. Of course, there will be full review videos and lots more detailed videos going over all the features of this motorcycle coming up on the channel. It's going to be something special. I have wanted a Harley. I've wanted this Harley exactly since I started riding. This motorcycle is what I fell in love with. This is why I started riding. The reason I started riding motorcycles was because of the Harley Iron 883. So I feel like we kind of came full circle. It took a few years on the channel, but I finally feel like I'm back to where I began with motorcycling, and it feels pure. It feels right. You guys are going to see tons of video content coming up on this bike, as well as, of course, the Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. Lots of content coming on both. So I'm going to wrap this video up here, and you guys can look forward to the upcoming videos riding and modifying this motorcycle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks everybody for helping push me over 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. We just hit that mile mark recently. Thank you to everyone. That's just an awesome feeling to start this channel. I didn't think we'd ever get to this point. Now we're over 10,000 subscribers. It's awesome. Thank you to every single one of you. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That helps us crack the YouTube algorithm, so that way we can get this content out to more people who are looking for the Iron 883. And if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. It's the big red button down there. Click the bell icon next to it. That will give you guys notifications when there are new videos to watch right here on MOTOBLADE. So thanks again, everybody, for the push over 10K. You guys are awesome. Till next time, be careful, ride safe, ride on, and I will catch you all in the next video. Deuces!